Okay, play all you want once we cross this. Oh! Try it again.
Okay, guys, we need to cross.
Take that.
Oh, dude.
Julia! Wind up. Get him good. You have to, like, throw it with all your might.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh! Okay, let's go.
But let's just cross the street and do it from there because honestly, get his bottom. Who cares that it's not waterproof? Oh, thank you. I fell. I just needed my non-waterproof Uggs. Made in China. Oh, water. Get a snowball and get him real good in the booty. Look at this, there's no difference. Like the snowbank is like not higher anymore. You helping him out? Yep.
Look, Dad.
Do it, Julia, go.
Daddy.
Julia.
Last one.
You guys, look at the side mirrors on this car. There's icicles. You can't see it on the video.
Can I throw some on you?
Icicle. Me?
Yeah.
Why would you throw it on me?
Because you're my mom. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you think that's funny, huh?
Yeah.
You think that's funny? Oh boy. Oh no! You're gonna Oh! You did it? You're getting it. My shoes are 100% wet.
Okay, that's enough. Okay,
These are not waterproof Uggs.
one more. That is her.
Okay, people are walking by. People are walking by.
Hey! Ho, ho, ho.
You meet very strange people in New York, guys.